Are you tired of being bombarded with style warnings while coding? It can be overwhelming, right? If you're looking to silence those distractions and focus only on the critical errors, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to configure ESLint to only show fatal errors. I totally get it. You want to concentrate on the big issues like missing brackets or undefined variables without getting sidetracked by style warnings. You're definitely not alone in this frustration. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a rule that can be inserted into ESLint JSON to quiet everything except fatal errors? If this sounds like your situation, stick around as we explore the solution together. So, what's the deal with ESLint and these warnings? ESLint is designed to help you catch potential issues in your code, but sometimes it can feel like it's nitpicking. We'll break down how to adjust the settings so you can focus on what really matters. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a quick tip at the end that will help you maintain a clean coding environment without the clutter of unnecessary warnings. To configure ESLint to only show fatal errors, the user should start by opening their ESLint configuration file, typically named .eslint.rc.json. Next, the user needs to modify the rules section of the configuration file. They should set the severity of all rules to off, except for the rules they want to keep active. After adjusting the rules, the user should ensure that they have the correct parser options set. This helps ESLint understand the code syntax being used. Finally, the user can run ESLint to check their code. They should see that only fatal errors are reported, while style warnings are silenced. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of ESLint was released in 2013? It has come a long way since then, helping developers write cleaner code without the headache of constant warnings. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use the ESLint recommended configuration. This config enables rules that help catch common errors without enforcing specific style guidelines. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly review your ESLint configuration. Keeping it updated ensures you're only seeing the errors that matter most to you. And there you have it. You should now be able to code without the distraction of style warnings. Remember, a clean coding environment leads to better focus. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your coding workflow.